Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamala and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about SQL AND operator. AND operator is used to filter with two or more conditions, and you can see the syntax below. Select column 1, column 2 or star from table. What is the table name? And we should give the where condition and the second condition or more than two conditions. Let's go to the SQL server and verify the same. So I already created a table with I have inserted some values. Let me see what is there in this table first. I'll select star from what is the table name. Here table name is students. So if I run this once again, just I didn't give the s here. So now you can see the values in this table. So now my condition is serial number should be true and city also should be true. Then only give me the name. Otherwise, if any of the one is false, don't execute that. So what I'll do, I'll put a where condition like serial number equal to 5. It is true, and I'll give and condition like city equal to, I'll give Mumbai. So here in this case serial number is 5 and city also Mumbai. If both conditions are true, then let's see what will happen. I'll give just name here. So in this case both are true. We got a Henry name. So I'll give one condition as false. I'll give Chennai. So the one condition is false, so nothing was executed. I hope you understand the video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.